Welcome to Teachermatic's tutorial series. Today we're exploring the Chat with Teachermatic AI generator, a flexible tool designed to handle unique tasks when no specific generator is available. Whether you need to summarize documents, generate discussion prompts, or brainstorm creative ideas, this tool is designed to adapt to your needs. Let's take a closer look. The Chat with Teachermatic AI generator is ideal for those situations where you need something different, something tailored. With this tool, you can upload images or documents to guide content creation, generate quizzes, summaries, or discussion prompts, and save or copy your chat sessions for future use. Its versatility means you can accomplish tasks that go beyond the scope of our standard generators, giving you endless possibilities for creativity and problem solving. To get started, type the word chat into the search box at the top of the Teachermatic interface. Click on the magnifying icon tool. This will quickly locate the Chat with Teachermatic AI generator for you. Click the Use button to launch it. The chat interface is where you can interact with the AI to tackle your unique tasks. You can ask questions, brainstorm ideas, or generate specific types of content. It's designed to handle flexible requests and adapt to your teaching needs. For this demonstration, I'll show you how to upload an image and ask the AI to create content based on it. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll see the upload button. For this example, I'm uploading a picture of a drill from a workshop. Once the image is uploaded, I'll ask the AI to create a lesson plan focused on safety using and maintaining the drill. Afterward, I'll follow up by asking it to generate a quiz to assess students' understanding of the topic. I'll now create a quiz based on this lesson plan. As you can see, the generator provides detailed and relevant content that you can adapt to your teaching needs. This is just one example of how you can use this tool to create resources tailored to your specific requirements. Once your session is complete, you can save the chat by clicking the Save Chat button at the bottom of the window. This stores your session in the Saved Results section of your dashboard for easy access later. Alternatively, you can copy and paste the content directly into your own materials, giving you flexibility in how you use the generated resources. The Chat with Teachermatic's AI generator is perfect for unique and creative tasks, from uploading files to generating quizzes, discussion prompts, or summaries. It's designed to help you achieve results when other tools might not fit your needs. And remember, you're only limited by your imagination. And that's it. The Chat with Teachermatic's AI generator is your go-to tool for flexible teaching. Whether you're brainstorming, summarizing documents, or creating resources from images, this tool adapts to your needs and simplifies your work. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for tips and insights on how Teachermatic can simplify your teaching tasks.